Do you want to be more confident in social settings? Do you want to make better first impressions? Or do you want to come across overall as more attractive? If you said yes to any one of these questions, then this video is for you.
Nerf this!
What's going on? Sean here. Welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to give you 5 different body language tips so you can make a better first impression. If you're finding my channel for the first time, make sure you smash that subscribe button. You turn on post notifications because I do release videos every Monday to get your week going and every Friday to get your weekend started, but I also do release bonus videos at random and you don't want to miss a thing. With that out of the way, let's get started. So the first thing you need to do in order to come across as more confident, more attractive in any social settings with your body language is to get open. Now, being open, postured up is a sign universally with confidence, with dominance, even throughout the animal kingdom. Like if you take a bear, for example, one of the ways that they try to establish their dominance is they raise up on their hind legs, they get big, they spread their arms, and also, if you think of a peacock, what does a peacock do when it's a proud peacock? It spreads those beautiful back feathers, and even when you're trying to survive a attack from like a tiger or a lion, one of the things they tell you to do is to stand up and look as big as possible by spreading out those arms, getting wide and standing tall. Now obviously you don't want to try to scare any of these people off that you're meeting with, but you do want to stand up tall, have good posture, and be open. Even when sitting down, like I'm sitting down right now, my legs are open, I'm leaning slightly forward, and my chest is completely open. I don't have my arms crossed, I don't have my hand behind my head, I don't have them crossed in my lap right now like this, but they are just relaxed by my side and my stance is open. And although this may seem obvious to some, it's not obvious to all, and this is the most simple thing you can do, and it's the easiest behavior to correct and to become aware of when you're doing it. So number 2, to come across as more attractive and more confident, is to just smile. And there's a big difference between actually giving a genuine smile and giving a fake, cheesy smile. Now, in order to give a genuine smile, 1, it has to be genuine, but 2, in order not to look forced, you have to smile with your eyes. Now, I'm going to show you the difference between a forced smile and a genuine smile. This would be an example of a forced smile. See how my eyes didn't move and my mouth is all awkward and I just look like a bad version of the Joker? Now, this will be an example of a genuine smile. See the difference? It's all in the eyes. The smile comes across as more genuine. The eyes smile with the mouth, and it just looks like I'm not gonna steal your soul. When you smile, people are going to see you as approachable. They're gonna automatically assume that you're a friendly person and want to talk to you. So definitely when you meet someone, give them a nice smile and look them right in the eyes. So number 3 kind of ties into number 1. Now, you want to be open, but more importantly, you don't want to have your arms crossed. When you have your arms crossed like so, it automatically gives the person that you're dealing with an inclination of that you're not approachable, that you're closed off, literally and metaphorically speaking. You're closed off, you don't want to be open to them, and frankly it could give them the inclination that you're just not really a nice person. And although you could be the nicest person in the world, even if you just have your arms crossed, when you're meeting someone like this, you could come across as not approachable, and that's what you want to be. You want to be approachable. Now, the 4th tip I have for you, having better body language, coming across more confident and more attractive, is not to hide your hands. Now, when you hide your hands, it comes across to the other person as one of 2 things. Either you're shy or you're hiding something. Now, 2 things that people typically do when they're hiding their hands, there's 1, they put them in their pockets. That comes across as shy, reserved, I don't really want to be here. Or 2, hands behind the back. Now, when you have your hands behind the back, it could come across as less shy than having your hands in your pockets, more of like a militant, direct type of stance. However, it comes across more as if you're hiding something. So again, when engaging in conversation with someone, just have your hands by your side, open, and let them know that you are approachable and that you have nothing to hide. And so the fifth and final thing you can do to have better body language, be more confident, and look more attractive is not to fidget. Now, fidgeting could be a number of things. It could be, you know, the leg jiggler. It could be playing with your hands like this. This is something that I used to do a lot. You know, rubbing my hands together when I'm talking with someone. It could be, you know, tapping your lips, fidgeting with your ear. It could be scratching your chin, playing with your beard. It comes across to the other person as you're unconfident, you're nervous, you're hiding something. So the best thing you could do is take a deep breath if you feel yourself fidgeting. Just relax, all right? The other person is probably just as nervous or more nervous than you, especially if this is the first time you're conversing with someone. So all you gotta do is know that you're in control up here and do the other things on this list. Be relaxed, open, postured, engage, speak slowly. The faster you speak, the more likely you are to get into that hyperventilating mode, like, what? So again, if you do feel yourself starting to fidget, starting to play with your hands, or, you know, going back to some of those old vices, take a deep breath, relax. You got this. So I hope you did enjoy that list. I hope that helps you. I hope that now you can be more confident, you'll come across as more attractive, and be more comfortable in any social setting. Thanks so much for watching. Again, my name is Sean. In each and every video, I do try to make you the best version of you. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate all your support. I'll catch you next time. Signing off.